Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Oppo Reno 4, and the first you have to go for the Play Store, and in the search pool you have to type LED keyboard. You can also take it from the quick list. We have to get this application from the Basic Studio. Here we got the icon and the full name of the app. We can just install. Right now we can open. Click to get started, tap on the switcher, then click activate, go for the input options and tap on the LED keyboard. And here we are in the application, so we can just simply set up one of the following theme. So just wait until it finishes loading all the stuff, all other themes. Okay, it takes too long a little bit, so just close this app and we are going to open it one more time. So let's go, and here it is. So I will go for LED, and I think that I'm going to pick up maybe this one. I'll click here, tap to download theme. Just turn off this ad. Click, and here we got our new LED keyboard on the Oppo Reno 4. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.